Everyone talks about side hustles. Everyone talks about passive income. But here's the thing, they're not the same. In this video, I'll break down the key differences between side hustles and passive income and help you figure out which one is the right fit for you in 2025. 1. What is a side hustle? A side hustle is any income stream you work on alongside your main job. Example: freelance graphic design, food delivery, selling on Etsy. It usually requires active effort. If you stop working, the money stops. Why is it powerful? It brings immediate income potential. It allows for a flexible schedule. It's a great way to test business ideas without quitting your main job. 2. What is passive income? Passive income is money that keeps coming in after the work is done. Example: ebooks, YouTube ad revenue, affiliate websites, stock photography royalties. It requires front-loaded work. Set it up once, maintain it lightly, and it keeps paying. Why it's powerful? Money flows even when you're not actively working. It's a long-term wealth builder. And it scales better than side hustles. 3. Key differences. Let's look at time versus automation. Side hustle means time for money. Passive income means systems or assets for money. As for consistency, side hustles can bring you quick cash but may be unstable. On the other hand, passive income can be slower to get up and running, but builds consistency. What about scalability? Side hustles are limited by your hours. Passive income has unlimited potential once set up properly. 4. How they work together. You don't have to pick one or the other. Many people start with a side hustle, then transform parts of it into passive income. For example, take freelance writing as a side hustle. You can turn content into an ebook or blog with ads for passive income. So here's the takeaway. Side hustles get you started, passive income sets you free. If you want fast results, start a side hustle. If you want long-term freedom, focus on building passive income streams. Which one are you working on right now? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget, I'll be releasing step-by-step tutorials on how to build both. So subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss them. Plus, grab my free AI income toolkit in the description to kickstart your journey.